I went to go visit my mom earlier this week. Now, as some of you know, my mom is from the Calabria region of Italy, and she's 86 years old, and she still gardens.
Yeah. See the nice they are, the flowers? Ma bello, fanno un fiore bellissimo. So teneri. You're going to eat it tonight?
Maybe.
Or you're going to throw away?
And now that the weather is warmer, she loves to show me how her garden is doing.
See, this is the seed.
Oh, you have lots of oregano.
No, look at my. I don't like the pink oregano. When it's pink, I pull. I like the white oregano.
How come you don't like the pink one?
I don't know, because they don't have no taste. Over there I have rosemary, and in the corner there I have a mint, which is good for, you put it in water, the mint. The leaf, you wash them up first, and then you put it in water and drink the water. It's good for your stomach, better too. I have some potatoes, but I don't plant the potatoes. When I peel the potatoes, they have the little eyes, the peel, and I put them in the ground.
So you don't even plant seed potatoes? You you plant the peels?
The peel, and now look how many potatoes I have. You know, so I have a lot of things, a lot of interesting.
And she is also a quintessential old-fashioned gardener, as in she seed saves and trades cuttings with her friends and other people she knows and trades seeds. So this week when I went to go visit her, I popped my camera in my purse and I decided to take you along with me.
Oh, guarda come mi sono pigliata bene. Tu sei bella però, eh.
Ma pure tu sei bella.
Quando mi visto, ma quando sono in garden, non bella.
Now this one you just did direct sow. You didn't start anything. You just put it right.
Outside. This one, you know, it's okay. See, this one comes themselves, the lettuce. See, if you pick the leaf, they come back again, they make more leaves. You just cut the leaf like that. You wash them up, let them dry, and it's good. Like another couple of weeks, you have some more.
What do you, this row here, what do you have growing?
Yeah, bush beans, yeah.
What's going on here? So you have some stakes and you have plastic on either side.
I have a tomato in there.
You're a thrifty gardener, so you reuse and repurpose a lot of things. So you put in these two stakes, and then you put some plastic on either side of the stake, and then you put the tomato plants in here to keep
make stay more warm for the night. This one they have a flower already. You can see, you know.
Yeah, see? And that makes you happy?
It makes me happy because it makes a tomato when it's here. And that one, they are a cherry tomato. See, this is for seeds too.
Yeah.
But when it makes the seeds, you know, you can see.
You can see the seed on the plant?
Yeah, and then you open up a bag like that, and get it like that. Up, get the seeds, shake, you know. That one, they are Kelly broccoli. They are, you know, nice and tender. It's good. Those is good. You eat or you going to throw it?
No, I'll eat them.
Okay. This one, it's a green onion, like you see. I butter the onion. I eat the green part, and you plant the white one like this one, see? I planted last week this. This is a parcel, see? You can see the little seeds, you know? See, and then you're going to put a peg, but not now, when they are
they turn black.
Yeah, they turn black, brown, so like that. You can see. You take like that, put a bag inside, shake them up, and you take the seeds how many you want. Or you can leave the whole plant in there, and the seeds, they're going to fly all over. And you have a parcel all over. There they come themselves, see, flower.
You got a lot of bees in your yard. Look at this.
See, this is the shard. They come themselves because of the seeds, see?
And you're going to leave them?
No, like here is no good place to leave it because after if the squash grows, the leaves they too big. When they are enough to plant, you know, so I gonna plant. This is the fava beans. See the fava over here?
Where?
Over here.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
You know, they grow slowly. Hey, that one, look at it's a Romania lettuce. Look how big they are, the plant. It's 5 pounds, that one now. Look how big they are. All'Italia avevano tutto, avevano un giardino, avevano i fiori, avevano vegetabili, tutto quanto. Every day you have to work 1 or 2 hours. It's good for your health too, because you are fresh air. A lot of people want to garden. Garden, it's nice if you garden yourself. Of course, you have to spend a little time, but it's fun. I like eat health, and it's fun. And when you see like a plant grow, you happy. It's like everything you do home. When you see something turns good, you happy. See, because I come from upstairs, I say I need a parcel. I come and have some. Oh, I have to try. You have to try the parcel.
Yeah.
I did the parcel with Philadelphia cheese. Did the parcel in food process first. Then I put the creamy cheese, and then you use it for toast, for cracker. You eat like that.
And it's good, eh?
It's good, it is. I leave it a little bit for you to taste.
So here's the spread that she was talking about. It was just Philadelphia cream cheese mixed with a little bit of parsley in the food processor on a cracker.
This is already dry. See, you wrap them up like that. See? And then you put it like that. You keep them in the fridge. They stay a week good.
They'll last a week like that?
Yeah.
So as you can see, she likes to grow tomatoes, beans, herbs, and a big focus on greens. And the reason for that is twofold. She mentioned that she likes the health factor, and also it's a cost factor as well, because one head of lettuce in our area is $4 to $5 a head. So if you think about how many heads of lettuce, the cost of that over the course of a month, over the summer, it's quite extensive. So you get the benefit of having some nice organic homegrown greens and the cost benefit as well. Now that cream cheese spread she made was really delicious, and all it was about a half a cup of cream cheese with about a quarter cup of parsley and a spoonful or so of sour cream, all mixed together in the food processor, and it was delicious. Now this spread tasted very gourmet with just a few ingredients with that nice fresh parsley in there, and this is such a great little appetizer to make with just a few ingredients. Thank you so much for joining me on the little tour of my mom's garden. Take care, everyone, and we'll catch you in the next one.